Certainly, one of Teams' most powerful features in meetings is its capability to transform your look in meetings. One of the best ways to do this is by using background effects. In this lesson, we'll introduce you to this great feature. So in the top navigation bar, go to the More button and choose Effects and Avatars. Teams offers a variety of preset virtual backgrounds that you can choose from to replace your actual background during a meeting. Before we pick one, let's turn the camera off. If you're in a meeting and you don't want others to see you switch from background to background, you may want to turn your camera off. Okay, so now look at all these choices of backgrounds. And look for the Show All button here to reveal many more choices for you. Now when I choose from virtual backgrounds like this one, I can go down to the very bottom of the pane and select Preview. This will display the choice only to me. This is a nice way to quickly go through a selection of backgrounds and preview yourself in them before others see it. Obviously, there's lots to choose from. You can also add your own custom background image to personalize your virtual environment. In fact, at the end of the list are backgrounds you have uploaded to Teams, such as this one here. However, to add an additional background, scroll back up to the top and choose Add New. Then choose the background to load. And there it is in the preview. Great! Now at any point you can remove the background you've applied. To do so, head up to the very first option in the pane called None. When selected, as you would expect, the background effects disappear. Now what we have left seems to be a little plain looking, so to wrap this up, let's add some movement to our background. Teams allows motion backgrounds to be used. These are simply videos that play behind you on screen. You can find them right at the start of the Virtual Background section. Pick one and notice the subtle motion that is added. If you like the choice, select Apply and Turn on Video to see a bigger version of it in action. Without a doubt, background effects are an impressive feature in Teams. Take full advantage of this powerful feature to enhance your next meeting. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.